Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to log into AVMC or Antelope Valley Medical Center employee account. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop open up any web browser that you want, and on the search URL type in AVMC employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now from this interface, make sure you click on this first link provided to you. That will redirect you to this login portal. Here, first of all, enter your valid user ID. Under this text box, your valid user ID is basically your employee ID. Once you type in your user ID, under that enter your password. Make sure you enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, click on this link provided to you that says forgot your password, and that will help you out to recover your password. Once you're done typing in your user ID in your password, click on this login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your employee account. So this is how you can simply log into AVMC employee account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.